This is 27th day of January 2026, being Tuesday. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. This is all about insecurity, the collusion of the government, and the facts behind it. One of the most wanted terrorists in Nigeria, wanted by mouth, but not wanted indeed. Because if he's wanted indeed, he could have been apprehended, he could have been arrested or eliminated. So, one of the most wanted terrorists, his name is Bello Tuji, was found with the All Progressive Congress membership card. APC was designated as a terrorist organization by a Canadian court, and this party have history of working with terrorists by the importation of these terrorists from 2015 in attempt to remove the former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, of which it worked out well for them. So the APC in Zamfara State, that is the state where these terrorists came from, are trying to do a damage control by denying the fact that the APC membership card is a forged membership card that is not a real membership card. Now, let us look at the clarity of their denial. Some time ago, the present Minister of Defense State, that is Junior Minister Bello Matawande, he was a governor of Zamfara State. And during his administration, this man Bello Tuji, a house was built for him, a vehicle, Hilux, Toyota Hilux was bought for him, and some incentive. Why are they paying terrorists? Why are they funding terrorism? That questions remain unclear. After some time, the minister Bello Tuji came out to say we were trying to do peace deal. I never funded terrorism and so on and so forth. As if that is not enough. The incumbent governor right now of Zamfara State, Mr. Dauda Lawa, came out to say that no, my predecessor who handed over to me is a member of the terrorist gang. He support them. He sponsored them. He's with them on the national television, and everybody thinks that is not an issue. We move on as usual, and like dumb people who never reason. Okay, we move on. Now, these terrorists have been found with APC membership card. You know what that means? To the extent a party colluding with terrorists against the people. Are you wondering why the terrorism in Nigeria or the terrorists in Nigeria are waxing strong every day? They have the state support, and there is no two ways about it. These people are now denying the fact that they are not the one who issued the membership card that is forged. They did not issue the membership card to the terrorists. Now, another evidence or in form of, let me use allegation, was that this junior minister of defense, Bendo Matawande, was said to have contacts of these terrorists, telling them that they are going to work for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu comes 2027 presidential election. So, when you consider all these things from the beginning to end, you will now understand that actually this membership card they said that Bello Tuji have in his possession might not be fake. Okay, might not be fake. But let's move on as usual. Like people who never bothered about their life. Every day, people are being, killed in Nigeria, abductions here and there. So don't support evil because of religion or because of political gain, because the evil you support today will eventually come to hurt you tomorrow. Just imagine Asari Dokubo saying that, we criticizing all these bandits before was a plot to criticize, Islam or Muslims, saying that they are terrorists. Is the same Atari Dokubo that is coming now to make you turn because someone close to him has been kidnapped, saying that Gumi is evil, Gumi is a bad person? Take a listen.
Anybody kidnapping people is an evil person. Barry, anybody kidnapping people, whether he is a Muslim or a non-Muslim, is an evil person. That is why, as far as I'm concerned, Gumi is not a good person. Because you don't have any reason to justify evil. Whether that evil is committed by your person or somebody close to you or somebody from your region, evil is evil. It does not have another definition. Evil is evil. Evil does not have another definition. That's why Gumi is not a good person. You don't have any reason whatsoever to pamper and support, except somebody close to you had not been kidnapped. Except somebody close to you have not been stolen. That is when you will say you will justify kidnapping. That is why you will give amnesty to kidnappers. That is why you will give amnesty to kidnappers. And they'll be making mouth. And the people, they kidnap their parents, kill their parents, will be seeing them in the village, everywhere. They are having the best of the two worlds. They are having the best of the two worlds. A kidnapper. They kidnap my brothers-in-law. The trauma and the scar that she carries till today. The trauma and the scar that she carries till today. She's a northerner, she's a Muslim woman. She was kidnapped on Abuja-Kaduna Road. The trauma and the scar. And Gumi will come and tell us, justify it. No member of his family has been kidnapped. And Gumi is a bad example of people who claim to be Muslim scholars. Very bad example. We must say this thing to the whole world, and the world must hear it. Impeachment. All kidnapping are wrong, are evil. All kidnapping are wrong, they are evil. You are not doing it for the cause. Don't hide under anything to kidnap. These people go and kidnap. My friend, an Abuja-based Islamic scholar, one of the most popular Islamic scholars in Abuja, was kidnapped. And whenever he's praying, they're afraid. They stop him from praying. They're supposed to be Muslim. He was going to Kogi. When they discovered he's a Malam, an educated Malam, polished, one of the most popular Abuja Malams. When they discovered he's a Malam, when he's praying, they go and distract him. They did not want him to do any prayer. They thought it's physical prayer. What he's saying in his mind, they don't know. He was kidnapped and kept for 1 month before he was released. People gathered money together to go and give them before he was released. There's a Muslim Nicobai that came from London with her daughter and her husband. They were kidnapped. They were serially raped in Edo State. You said these people are Muslim, they are Fulani people, they are Muslim. A woman who is covered, totally covered. They came from London. That alone is enough for that woman to say, I am not going to be a Muslim again, because the people who carried out this dastard act are supposed to be Muslims. The people who carried out this dastard act. Look, I have information and pictures that most of you don't have. And I'm going to make a publication. You see, you sit in your house, you talk rot. When my younger brother's sister-in-law was kidnapped, and when she went through that trauma, I took a decision myself. I said, I will stop the kidnapping on Abuja Road. And General Buhari gave me the opportunity. And I stopped it. I chased them. They took over Kaduna Airport at that time. They were everywhere. They asked me in the office, are you capable of doing this thing? In fact, one of the closest person who came to trust me is an officer. He said, Mujahid, you are a Muslim. Don't boast too much. Don't boast too much. So many people have been involved. They've not been able to do this thing. And I told him, I said, this is personal. This one is personal. That was how my younger brother. People say, will you allow your children to carry gun? Look at this people. My children to carry gun. My family members are in the commanding position of all my information. And people complain, oh, your family members are this one. They are complaining. People who work with me. My family members are in the commanding position of almost all my information. I told my friend, I said, this is personal. This is not job. And that my brother, he became head of operation. And we showed them pepper. We cleared Abuja Road. Everybody is passing Abuja Road. Abuja Airport is no longer in, Kaduna Airport is no longer in danger. They are not riding with their machine into Kaduna Airport again. Were we acknowledged? No. We were not acknowledged. We heard that a Turkish company, after we had cleared the road, was given 53 billion contracts. And I don't know what they're doing there. Each time there is any attempt to close that road again, they will call us. Mujahid, have you heard what is happening? Mujahid, have you heard what is happening? Our men should be ready. But 53 billion. Some people in Abuja sat down and said, these people who cleared the road, they cannot have the benefit of it. We'll give it to a foreigner and somebody is behind and will collect the money and be shopping. At the expense of the security of the lives and property of our people. Somebody, monkey they walk, bamboo they chop. A local security company cleared the place. You now call a foreign security company that has been doing nothing. They came. Hey, they wanted as a me. Be a sub. No, please, go. Take the money and go. I don't want. Very bad things are happening. You're in your house, in the comfort of your home. We are practical. Somebody is saying in the East, Anambra. We were in Anambra in 2001. We went to Anambra in 2021. We went to Anambra before the election. Some people in Anambra did not like us. They refused to pay. And then we left Anambra and they started killing them. House of Assembly members, this one, that one. Dari, me, I did not take amnesty. I'm not involved in amnesty. The people who betrayed them doing amnesty, they should go and ask them. I never took amnesty. I even took the federal government to court. How can you criminalize people and say you are giving them this thing? How can you criminalize people and telling them that you are giving them this thing? I didn't take amnesty. So they should know who betrayed them doing amnesty, not me. I'm not part of amnesty, please. I'm the only one who did not take amnesty. That's another scam and fraud. You are paying somebody for 10,000 people, where did anybody have 10,000 people? You are paying somebody for 4,000 people. Where did anybody have 4,000 people? If anybody has people, among the people who took amnesty, for whatever reason, it should be my brother Teketon. It should be my brother Teketon. He has the largest number of people in it, his Icelanders and so on in his organization. Any other person cannot bring 500 people. But some people have 10,000 on the lead. Some people have 5,000. Some people have this thing. Condit pipe. Condit pipe. In the guise of